Frabill, trusted by anglers since 1938. Special poly netting repels water and dries quickly. 1/4-inch mesh, black color adds camouflage. Heavy-duty floats won't crush or break off, evenly spaced floats and weights for uniform spread and tracking. Size: 4'X12. Frabill 2154 fishing equipment net straps. Top reviews from the United States. Great netting for DIY projects. Used this for a nonconventional purpose. Built my son a playpen out of PVC pipe and used this as the net that wraps around the playpen. Works great for babies. Cut off the floaters and weights hanging from the sides and cut it down the middle so that I had two 12x2 pieces of net. Worked absolutely perfectly and for a decent price. If you need netting similar to pack and play netting for any purpose whatsoever, this netting is a good price and good quality. No complaints.